But what's the ground status in Bengaluru and Karnataka? Shocking visuals from Bengaluru's hotspots have now come, where local residents are seen roaming freely amid the nationwide lockdown. There are currently 32 hotbeds in Bengaluru itself. However, many people were seen loitering around, and that too without face covers and masks. Remember, this comes at a time when Karnataka witnessed a sudden spike in COVID-19 cases yesterday, with 36 new cases reported. That pushes now the total number of cases beyond 300. Take a look at this report.
Bengaluru is a city on edge with COVID-19 cases rising rapidly. 32 wards in India's tech city have been declared hotspots as the fight to stop the spread continues. But not everybody appears to be understanding the seriousness of the situation, and the Bengaluru police too appears to be lackadaisical in the implementation of the lockdown. This was amply visible in East Bengaluru.
There are barricades placed when you enter Lingarajapura, but absolutely no police personnel available over here. Apart from that, for the time that we have spent over here, almost 30 odd minutes, we have seen a large number of people, especially youngsters, without their masks, on their bikes, roaming around in this particular area.
The Adugodi locality of the city was no different.
While the police are just there, 50 meters before where the police are standing, you can clearly see a lot of people are actually out. Everyone is present outside. Half the people are not wearing masks. Many are just, wasting time, whiling away their time outside when they are supposed to be inside their homes, practicing what the government is asking them to do. That is, you are under lockdown and not to be out on the roads.
The state government says there is just that much that the police can do, and it was for the people to realize the gravity of the situation.
We have tried to our best. The Home Department, the police has been tirelessly working since 1.5 to 2 months now. 80 to 90% of the people have cooperated and they have responded very well to the government's request. So we should understand the gravity of the situation, and the people should be morally responsible.
But given the alarming number of COVID-19 infections in the city, it's quite clear that the issue of following the lockdown rules cannot just be left to the wisdom of the people. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath and Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.